Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by cleaning your Ableton session and organizing tracks for export. Set the project sample rate to 44, 1K Hz, and the bit depth to 24-bit. Consolidate clips on each track to ensure continuous audio regions and avoid silent gaps. Name each track clearly using simple labels like drums, bass, keys, vox to prevent confusion. Decide whether to print master effects onto a separate master stem or disable them for a dry export. Check tempo, time signature, and arrange locators to cover the full song length. Open File and choose Export Audio/Video to render your stems. In the dialog, choose WAV format, 24-bit, and 44. 1K Hz sample rate for wide compatibility. Set rendered track to individual tracks or selected tracks or groups depending on your routing. Uncheck Normalize and disable Master if you want dry stems, or enable Master for a printed master stem. Set the render start and end locators to include 2 to 4 seconds of reverb and delay tails. Click Export and choose a clearly named folder for all stems. Open a fresh Ableton project matching the 44, 1K Hz, and 24-bit settings you used. Drag your exported stem WAV files into new audio tracks, 1 file per track, and visually align each clip to the beginning of the arrangement. Play back to confirm phase and timing alignment and to detect any missing tails or clicks. If you exported stems at the project tempo, disable warp or set warp off to preserve original timing. Save the new project and label tracks like master print, drum stem, bass stem for clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.